Hello Habibti, كيف انت? Hello my friend, how are you doing? In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the Maltese translations of some popular countries in the world, as well as the continents. So let's get started. And we will be beginning with the countries, with the first one being Regno Unit, which as you can see on the screen is the United Kingdom. So once again, that's Regno Unit. Regno Unit. And just in case you are new to my channel, you can always see the pronunciation guide in brackets below the Maltese word here. Okay, great. Let's move on to number 2. L'Australia. L'Australia. L'Australia, which of course is Australia. Okay, number 3. L'America. L'America. L'America, which indeed is America. And if you want to say the United States, you can say Gli Stati Uniti. Gli Stati Uniti. Gli Stati Uniti. And then to say the United States of America, you can say Gli Stati Uniti dall'America. Gli Stati Uniti dall'America. Gli Stati Uniti dall'America. And just in case you didn't notice, the word ta with the little apostrophe after it is the Maltese word for of. Okay, on to the next one. Il Canada. Il Canada. Il Canada, which of course is Canada. The next one. Icina. 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 China. L'Inghilterra. 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 England. Ir-Russia. 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 By the way, if you're finding this vocabulary really fun to learn, then why not take it a step further and download my free ebook from the description below, which contains all the most popular Maltese words, as this will really speed up how quickly you can start speaking Maltese confidently in real life scenarios with locals and friends and family. Okay, let's look at the next country. Il Germania. Il Germania. Il Germania. Germany. L'Italia. 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 Italy. Il Polonia. Il Polonia. Il Polonia. Poland. L'Scozia. 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 Scotland. Il Belgio. Il Belgio. Il Belgio. Belgium. Il Bangladesh. Il Bangladesh. Il Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Il Brasil. Il Brasil. Il Brasil. Brazil. Il Filippini. Il Filippini. Il Filippini. The Philippines. Il Danimarca. Il Danimarca. Il Danimarca. Denmark. Il Grecia. Il Grecia. Il Grecia. Greece. Il Finlandia. Il Finlandia. Il Finlandia. Finland. L'India. 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 India. Il Giappone. Il Giappone. Il Giappone. Japan. Japan, which, as you can see here, is, of course, Japan. Now, you may or may not have noticed that all of the countries that I've just taught you had the article, which, if you're not sure what it is this little text and the hyphen in front of the country name, which means the, by the way. And this is the case for every single country in the entire world. They all use the article other than the next three that I am about to show you. So let's take a look at the first one. We have Malta, 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 which of course is Malta. And the reason for why this doesn't have the article is because this is our own country and we do not have the article for our own country. Now, the next two countries are as follows. Franza, Franza, Franza for France, and Spagna, 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 which is Spain. And the reason for why both Franza and Spagna don't have the article is because of the double consonant at the beginning of them. You see this right here? There's a S and a P, which of course are both consonants. Now, let's move on to the 7 continents of our planet. And to begin with, we have Europa, 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 which is Europe in Maltese. And a quick note, just before I forget, if you're finding these videos useful, then you absolutely need to check out my online Maltese language course, because this contains even more depth as well as on-demand lessons and a private community with other learners like yourself. Just click on the link in the description below and you'll be well on your way to speeding up your learning process of this amazing Maltese language. Now, on to the next continent. L'Asia, 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 meaning Asia, of course. L'Africa, 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 Africa. L'Antarctica, 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 Antarctica. L'America t'isfel, L'America t'isfel, L'America t'isfel, South America. L'America ta fuq, L'America ta fuq, L'America ta fuq, and of course this is North America. L'Australia, 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 Australia. Okay then, that's all of them for now. If I didn't mention your country, then please let me know and I'll make another video on this subject. Grazie ħafna u narak dalwat. Thank you very much and I'll see you soon.